Well, Pilgrim, welcome to hell. It's 110 degrees in the shade, 25 to 45 at night, so you need your summer and your winter clothes all within 24 hours. And what would we be doing in this kind of heat? Well, we're digging like the proverbial mad Chinaman. I guess that's racist, isn't it? The mad lesbian China. I want to get everybody in there. For Sunstones in Oregon. Oregon Sunstone makes a beautiful gem, and we've been turning these into these. Well, partner, it'd be instructive for you to see where the sunstones are coming from so you know where to dig. When you dig down into the wet layer, you're going to come across lava rock. You see those little sunstones in there? That's where it's coming from, as that is decomposing. So, what you want to do is dig down here into the wet layer, and the sunstones will just start popping out. In fact, sometimes you can just scrape your shovel along, and you'll see them popping out. There's the little one right there. And they're just coming out of that decomposed basalt lava. Now what we're doing is screening, and we're going to take this pile, since we're down in the pay layer where it's wet and we miss a lot of them by eyesight. We're going to bag all of that, plus our larger rocks where we might get a whopper. Now, another way to use water is to use the water that was here. It's not here now. But sunstones are light, labradorite, and they'll typically get hung up in the sagebrush. And you want to look around the sagebrush on the sides of the hills, and then the sagebrush will stop them for you. And that's a good way to find them too. A little easier than digging maybe, but that gets picked over pretty quick when you're here late in the year like I am. Over here is a spectrum mine, and as I swing around through the BLM area, you'll see the Dust Devil mine. That'll be one of the first ones that you come to, and you can pay them to dig for you, with their bucket loader, and either buy the sunstones or you can dig in the gravel pits yourself. Either way, you're digging, whether you're digging here or digging there. Now, every one of these films thus far in this series is called Finding Gold, because no matter what you're around, you might not be around any gold, and when you're prospecting, you need to be able to identify what's in your area, what's practical to get. That's your gold. Sunstone area in Oregon. All you have to do is come here to Adel on 140 and then head for Plush. And that's 18 miles up the road. And once you get up there, just follow the signs out to the BLM Sunstone area. Now we're back in camp, and we're just taking 3 of the bags that we had, and we're screening them out, see what we found. There you go, Oregon's official gemstone, Sunstones. Connie and I and the dog have been out here digging for 2 days. I understand I might look a little rough, but if you could do me a personal favor and email this video to any of our friends on public assistance. I haven't seen any of them out here, and if we could just convince them to come out one weekend a year and dig, we could pay off the national debt. Good luck with your prospecting.